What makes a hero? What do they wear? A hero walks into the unknown, not with hesitation, but with confidence, not with arrogance, but with an open mind and a will to make the world a better place. So do researchers, into the unknown, one step at a time. Sample by sample, step by step, your stride never fades. Step into who you are. No masks, no capes. The moment you put on that lab coat, you stepped into your superhero uniform. Researchers are heroes in the lab. Be you. Be the hero. BeMACS.